finally he says, I don't know what he says. I don't understand. I think he's saying ascoltare because he says it means listen, and the verb ascoltare means listen. But that's the infinitive. It's as if he was saying to listen. And maybe whoever translated the episode looked this up and got this translation, but that's not how we speak in Italian. What he should have said is ascolta. So what he should have said, considering that he was talking to a friend of his, and so he should have been talking informally, is per favore, fermati, ascolta. Sorry, Simpsons, but this time,